Adding a step and editing a step are the same basic process. First, give your step a name. If you use the next button in the step, you can set it to be hidden for a number of seconds after the step displays and after any typing text animations and image animations complete. And just enter it here. Let's say 3 seconds. And if you want the step to auto advance to the next step after it completes any animations, then you would enter the number of seconds here, say 15 seconds after everything completes. But since we're using a next button, we don't want to do that in this step. So we'll leave this at empty. If you put 0, it will advance immediately after the animations are done. If you use music with this landing page, you can have the music pause on this step. It's helpful if you play a video during this step. If it was paused on the previous step, you can have it resume on this step or no change at all. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom and click templates. You can scroll through the templates or you can jump to one you want. We'll use this basic template. Just click insert template. Once you click inside the template, you'll notice that this editor pops up and this changes color to match the background color. You can set the background color to anything you want. And you can also choose a partially transparent background color. Go with black. And then you can also set the maximum width and the maximum height. Now if you have content inside of this step that's either wider or taller, it can make that extend beyond what your maximums are. And you can set it back to default if you want also. First I'll show you the align. You can align it on the left side of the page, the right side of the page, or back to the center. You can insert a grid so you can lay out your step and easily put things where you want them. These dotted lines will not show in the actual landing page. You can use the image library button to browse through any images that you've uploaded or images that came with MotionLeads. These are images that I've used in steps or in landing pages I've already made. Just click on the image to insert it. You can also change the size of images by clicking on it, then dragging the corners. You can click the snippet library button to insert fancy text snippets. When you find one you like, just click insert snippet. You can add your own text. You can change the colors, just like any basic editor. This font size list is made up of font sizes that are responsive. So if you choose extra large and someone views it on a small device, it'll actually shrink down so it fits. You can give any text a typing text animation. Just select which animation you want. They can each have their own. Images can have their own animations also. Click the Set Image Animation button. Choose the animation, the duration you want. Easing just changes the way the animation plays. You can also have the animation not play right away when the step displays. You can have it delay for we'll say 2 seconds. You can also have it hide the image by clicking that checkbox, and that'll make it be hidden until the animation displays. And then at any time you can click this preview button down here. It'll open in a new tab. Let's see what we did with that one. You can also edit the image animations. Now if you make changes to the step, to preview it again you have to close this window and then click preview again. At any time you can switch to a new template, but when you click insert it will delete any content you had in there already. You can also insert videos. I have a YouTube video here. It's important to click this insert video button if you want to insert a video, because that will make the video responsive, so it will change sizes. You notice how it's stretched to fit the entire step. If it was on a little device, the entire thing would become smaller. New template again. And you can also insert forms. I have a form here that I copied from Aweber. You just click the insert form button, paste it in there. Your form will display. And then you can add your own custom next button, so you have some content. Scroll through the image library until you find a next button that you want. Click it. And if you preview it, you'll see that clicking on the next button doesn't do anything. And it also displays right away even though we gave it a delay. It's because this image has not been set to become a next button yet. First click on the image and then select is next button. And you'll remember up here we set it to a 3-second delay. And click preview again. Now it's delaying for 3 seconds. Gives you time to read the content. You can also see part of the default next button down here that you can change the theme for that or choose not to use it at all. That's in the landing page settings. And when you click next, it will fade out the step. And since this is a preview, it's not going to show you the next step. You can also change formats and fonts like any basic editor. And then when you're done, just click the save button.